morning, children. After learning how to read time, quarter to, quarter past, half past, time duration, and so many other things, today we are going to learn something very important, which is so useful to us that in practically in daily life we use that. For example, if your papa is going somewhere and if he tells you, I will come back after 2.5 hours. Now you want to find out what time papa will come back. So you have to find out the present time, you have to see the time, and then you have to add 2.5 hours to that to know when papa will be coming back so that you can stop your mischief. This was just on a lighter note. Also, if somebody tells you, I had come to your house half an hour back, but you were not there. So you want to know at what time did the person come. So you have to calculate these things mentally. You will not sit with pen and paper and do it. So today we are going to do these two things. Come, let's go to our PowerPoint presentation.
What will be the time? Here we are going to find the time after some minutes. So children, we are not going to sit with a notebook and a pen and then find the time. I request all of you to indulge in mental calculation and remember that in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So if you remember this and calculate mentally, I'm sure you can do it. 20 minutes after 6:20 a.m. Now simply you have to add 20 to this 20 because these are 20 minutes and we have to find out time after 20 minutes. So 20 plus 20 is 40. So the answer is 6:40 a.m. 45 minutes after 9:05 p.m. 45 minutes we have to add. So we will add 45 here. 45 plus 5 is 50. So the answer is 9:50 p.m. 15 minutes after 12 noon. Now children, you know that after 12 noon, p.m. starts. So the answer is 12:15 p.m. 10 minutes after 11:55 a.m. Now remember children, after 5 minutes of this time, it will be 12 noon. And after 12 noon, p.m. starts. So children, we have to find time 10 minutes after 11:55 a.m. So we add 5 minutes to this, we will get 12 noon. And we will add 5 more minutes to this, we get 5 minutes past 12 or 12:05 p.m. Okay. 25 minutes after 12 midnight. Now children, again remember, after 12 midnight, AM starts. So 25 minutes after 12 midnight will be 12:25 AM. 5 minutes after 11:55 p.m. Just 5 minutes after that, what it will be? Yes, you are right. After 11:55 p.m., if you add 5 minutes, it will be 12 midnight. Okay. 35 minutes after 11:45 a.m. Okay, children. Now, after 15 minutes of 11:45 a.m., we will have 12 noon, right? So if we add first 15 minutes, we will get 12 noon. So 35 minus 15 is 20. So we have to add 20 more minutes. So the answer will be 11, no, not 11, sorry, it is 35 minutes after 11:45 a.m. Children, if we add 15 minutes in a.m., we will get 12 noon. Yes? So 35 minutes minus 15 minutes is 20 minutes. So in 12 noon, we have to add 20 minutes more. So the answer will be 12:20 p.m. Right? Because after 12 noon p.m. starts, so here it will be p.m. Okay. 30 minutes after 2:45 a.m. Okay. If we add 15 minutes in this, we will get 3 a.m. So 30 minus 15 is 15. So it means we need to add 15 minutes more. So the answer of this one will be 3:15 a.m. I hope, children, you have understood how we should do it mentally. This was finding the time after. Now, in the next slide, we are going to find the time before. Now, since it is before, we have to subtract. Why we are subtracting? Because in the previous slide, when we were finding time after, we were adding. So here we are finding time before. So we are going to subtract. Okay, 20 minutes before 6:20 a.m. This is very simple. It will be 6 a.m. Okay, 45 minutes before 9:05 p.m. In this, children, we will first subtract 5. If we subtract 5 minutes, we will get 9 p.m. And from 9 p.m., we will subtract 40. You know why we will subtract 40? Because 5 we have already subtracted. Now, if we will subtract 40 minutes from 9 p.m., so children, we will get 8:20 p.m. Now, why we are getting 8:20 p.m. children? Because 40 plus 20 is 60. And we are going backwards in time. So when we go backwards in time, before 9 p.m. will be 8 p.m. So this is 8:20 p.m. 15 minutes before 12 noon. Now before 12 noon, we write AM with the time. So we are going backwards. So right, if now it is 12 noon, so earlier than that will be 11 something, 11 hours something. So 15 minutes before 12 noon will be 11:45 a.m. And why it is how we got 45? We subtracted 15 minutes from 60 minutes. Why? Because in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So we will subtract 15 minutes from 60 minutes and we will get 11:45 a.m. Okay, 10 minutes before 11:55 a.m. This is very simple. We will subtract 10 from 55. So we will get 11:45 a.m. Okay, 25 minutes before 12 midnight. Now children, till 12 midnight, we write PM. So whatever time would be, we are going to write PM. Now 25 minutes before. So children, we will subtract 25 from 60. So the answer would be 11:35 p.m. Why 11:35 p.m.? Because 60 minus 25 is 35. So this is 11:35 p.m. You can check this also, beta. If you add 25 minutes to 11:35, right? What will you get? You will get 12 midnight. So your answer is correct. Okay. 5 minutes before 11:55 p.m. Again, children, this is very simple. You have to subtract 5 from 55. So the answer is 11:50 p.m. 35 minutes before 11:45 a.m. This is very simple. We just have to subtract 35 minutes from 45 minutes. Rest everything will be same. We have 11:45 a.m. So the 35 minutes before 11:45 a.m. will be 11:10 a.m. Okay. 10 minutes before 12:05 p.m. Now this you have to do carefully, beta. 12:05 p.m. 5 minutes before 12:05 p.m. will be 12 midnight. Okay? It will be 12 midnight. And we have to find the time 10 minutes before. So 5 more minutes we have to go back. So the answer will be 11:55 a.m. So children, this is how we must calculate time mentally. Because if somebody asks us all these times, you are not supposed to take a notebook and pencil and then do it. You have to do it mentally in day-to-day life. So please practice this. That's all for today, children. Thank you and have a nice day.